A little word about self-examination. You're not going to go through this process and not want to see your own eyes, which you can do in two ways. You can do it by taking a photograph or having someone take a photograph of your eyes, but there are a variety of self-examination options, one of which is your ordinary bathroom mirror, but that won't really give you any magnification. So there are a couple of things that you might want to get hold of. One is a concave self-examination mirror, and you can actually get one on Amazon. The link is on screen for you there. And remember that your eyes will be the wrong way round when you're looking at yourself. So you might need a reversed self-examination iris chart, which you can also get from Amazon or from other sort of dedicated iridology supply outlets. One word of caution. Be sure you understand the technique and the theory of iridology before attempting self-diagnosis. Now, when I was writing my book, I was told that I wanted, that the publishers said, we want a book out there that can teach people how to diagnose themselves, which is, there can be problems with that. And it is possible to scare yourself stupid when you start looking into your own eyes, because you'll be looking at the textbooks and you'll be seeing all sorts of horrible pathologies that might be indicated by what you can see. So my advice is look without judgment until you know the theory in detail, and at that point maybe you can attempt a diagnosis. It's always better to have someone else do the job for you. It's very difficult to diagnose yourself